Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to tell you more about the front and the rear installation of our Commander. This is our unique automation tool called the Commander that gives you access to numerous smart actions that allows you to control your Tesla with ease. It can present your driver's door when approaching and also automatically restart your autopilot after a lane change. It also opens a brand new world of capabilities where you can watch various stats in real time as well as add an instrumental cluster on it. And if you want to learn more about the Commander, make sure to subscribe to our channels. We will be making a lot of videos showing all the actions and capabilities of it. And now I'm going to tell you more about the differences between the front and the rear installation methods on Model 3 and Model Y built after 2021. People have emailed us a lot about the two installation methods, whether the front one is better or the rear one. So let me tell you more about the key differences between them. Both methods have their own benefits. For example, the rear installation takes only about 2 minutes and it's very easy to do. You just only need to open the back of your center console with our pry tool, which comes in our package, connect the adapter and plug our Commander. Bear in mind that this installation is suitable for all Tesla Model 3s and Ys except for Model Ys built after June 2023. On those specific models, the rear adapter is moved on the front driver's side. The downside of this method is that the Commander will stick out from the back just like that, but you can always put it on the side between the passenger seat and the center console. The front installation might look a little bit more complex from the outside, but most of you will do it by yourself without any issues if you follow our installation videos on our channel. The good thing is that here at the front you can hide the Commander and all the wiring behind the A-pillar, whereas on the back the Commander will stick out. Another positive feature of the front installation is that we have a little bit more access to some extra CAN bus data, which on the back of the central console it is not possible. This data we will be able to turn out into new features. I'm talking about new statistics, new smart actions and some shortcuts that we will announce in the future. Be aware that front installation is available for those cars that have AMD processor rather than the Intel ones, as well as the Model 3 Highland. As you can see, both installations have their pros and cons, so you are the one to decide what makes more sense for you. All installation videos are available in the description of this video, so go check them out and tell me in the comments below which one you would prefer. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.